exhaust manifold check. Shout out Jim and Ultimate Headers. You know, this is the second set of exhaust manifolds that was sent out. As you can see, ceramic coated. They got the silver texture, which is gonna keep it, give you more protection, heat, all of that. You have a better performing exhaust header with that protection on it. And they really sent it because of the design of the shape for the clearance issues that we having with the Cadillac. The Cadillac is a rear steer car. So if you see here in the back, this gearbox is in the rear of the motor. A Chevrolet don't, 71 through 5 there. All Chevrolets mostly are front steer cars. So that gearbox will be in the front of the motor, which is out of the way of oil pan clearance, which is perfect for swaps. You know, we could put that motor in with, you know, minor modifications, you know, because it's a Chevrolet product going into a Chevrolet frame. You know, Cadillac always was trying to be, you know, on the edge of their own designs, not following, you know, status quo. So they got a rear design, which is challenging when you're putting swaps and oil pans and things like that. It could be done, it's just, you know, bring out your creative content. So this one is very close. We got a bolt in the front. You can see it's, you know, it's pretty much lined up. I had to drop the gearbox here to get the header over. It's a knock sensor on the LT5 that's there that, you know, we have to deal with, but I just wanted to get it fit to know exactly what we need to do to it. So what I would love is if the runners, like this third runner here, instead of it coming straight back and sloping down, I would prefer it to come straight back and almost act as if it's tucking behind this motor and then drop down to where one is going to help with the placement of the steering column coming out. This one is closer. You probably can make it work just because of the new steering joints that the joints that you connect the steering column with the gearbox are a lot smaller than the factory rag joints that they had on it. But I would love for this one to kind of taper around and then drop down, which will kind of put the collector further back as a mid. Then this third exhaust runner, you see it come straight down, boom, and it's real close. We got it, you know, clearance here now, but if this was going back, obviously this would be able to go taper back as well, to where we will move this whole lump that's extremely close to this and this back and over this way. And that should allow us to get this first exhaust runner here up more, because right now we're stopping it from going, need a quarter to half an inch down here, and what's stopping it from going down, this runner in the front that slopes down is touching the gearbox and the motor mount. So if that was to come up, it'd be a perfect. So we just need to design one that's a little better fit. This one is close, and this is what's good. You could take an opportunity, fit it on, try to see what you got, and if you don't got it, you're close enough to know what you need to do to the next one. So they do have the ability at Ultimate Header to make you a one-off header, a custom header. It's gonna be a little more, but when you want it right, you know, this is how to do it. Other shops can, you know, make you a custom header, get your exhaust fan and just piece by piece weld it up. That could be done too. I was just trying to do it this way in a faster format, assuming that it was gonna be something that maybe that they did that was on the shelf that may fit, but it's definitely becoming a little more time consuming. So we'll keep you guys updated. VTSV Auto, let's go, new product.